This is how fresh fish are transformed into dried fish, a staple in many cultures around the world. The global dried fish market is projected to grow steadily, driven by demand for long-lasting, protein-rich food, especially in regions where fresh fish isn't easily accessible. The process starts with catching the fish. Once caught, the fish are sorted based on size and quality to ensure only the best fish make it to the drying process. Next, the fish are cleaned. The fish are washed in clean water to eliminate any dirt or bacteria. This step is crucial for maintaining hygiene and extending shelf life. The heads are often left intact, while the fish are carefully opened along the belly to remove the guts. This step is essential for preventing spoilage during the drying process. After gutting, the fish are thoroughly washed in clean water to remove any remaining debris or bacteria. Once cleaned, the fish are laid out to dry. Traditional methods involve sun drying, where the fish are placed on racks or bamboo mats in the sun. The sun's heat draws moisture out of the fish over several days, while air circulation ensures even drying. The process must be closely monitored, as too much sun can ruin the fish, and too little can leave them susceptible to mold and bacteria. In industrial settings, drying is done in controlled environments using large-scale dehydrators. These machines allow for precise control of temperature and humidity, ensuring consistent results and reducing drying time to just a few hours. Once dried, the fish are inspected for quality. They must have the right texture, firm, with a leathery exterior, but still flexible. Any fish that haven't dried properly are set aside for additional drying or processing. After inspection, the dried fish are packed into vacuum-sealed bags or wrapped in plastic to prevent moisture from getting back in. Packaging is crucial to keeping the fish fresh and preserving its flavor for months or even years. The final step is distribution. The dried fish is loaded into boxes and shipped to markets worldwide, where it's sold to consumers, used in soups, stews, or enjoyed as a snack. This is how school lunches are prepared for 10,000 students every day. The scale, efficiency, and coordination involved in feeding thousands of children is truly impressive. The process begins early in the morning. In large central kitchens, staff work together to prepare food in mass quantities. The menus are carefully planned in advance by nutritionists to meet strict dietary guidelines, ensuring balanced meals with the right mix of proteins, vegetables, grains, and dairy. Each day starts with receiving fresh ingredients. Large deliveries of produce, meat, and other food items arrive at the facility. Once delivered, everything is sorted and stored in temperature-controlled environments to keep the ingredients fresh. Preparation begins with washing and chopping vegetables, such as carrots, broccoli, and lettuce, which will be used in salads or as side dishes. In the protein section, meat is cleaned and cut into portions, ready to be cooked. The cooking phase is where the real magic happens. Industrial-sized ovens, fryers, and steamers are used to cook vast quantities of food all at once. Large batches of pasta, rice, and soups are prepared in enormous pots, while protein dishes like chicken or fish are baked in large trays. In a separate area, workers are busy assembling meals. Salad and fruit are portioned into individual containers, while trays of hot food are prepared and divided for delivery. Every component is carefully measured to ensure each student receives the same meal, maintaining consistency across thousands of portions. Once prepared, the meals are loaded onto insulated carts to keep the food at the right temperature. These carts are then sent to various schools in the district, where they'll be distributed just in time for lunch. After lunch is served, the kitchen teams prepare for the next day's meals, starting the cycle all over again. Providing lunch for 10,000 students daily is no small feat, but with careful planning, the right equipment, and dedicated staff, this massive operation runs smoothly.